Understanding the foreclosure process. Navigating the foreclosure market requires a solid grasp of how the process unfolds. Foreclosure occurs when a homeowner defaults on their mortgage, prompting the lender to reclaim the property. In New Jersey, for instance, this is a judicial process, meaning it goes through the court system. The property is then typically sold at a public auction, where the highest bidder becomes the new owner. If the property doesn't sell at auction, it becomes real estate owned, REO, and is sold directly by the lender. Understanding this process is crucial because it influences how you approach the purchase. Each stage, pre-foreclosure, auction, and REO, offers distinct advantages and challenges. For example, purchasing at auction might mean less time for due diligence, while buying an REO property could provide more opportunity for inspections, but might come with a higher price tag. Being well-versed in these stages helps you strategize effectively and align your approach with your investment goals. Moreover, the foreclosure process can vary significantly by state. Some states have non-judicial foreclosures which can proceed more quickly, while others, like New Jersey, require court involvement, potentially lengthening the timeline. Familiarizing yourself with your state's specific procedures ensures you're prepared for the legal and logistical steps involved. Additionally, understanding the timeline of the foreclosure process can help you gauge the urgency of your actions. For instance, in some cases, previous homeowners may have redemption rights, allowing them to reclaim the property within a certain period. Being aware of such nuances ensures you make informed decisions and avoid unexpected complications.